Hey, this is Brian Sabota, BlueCap Production. I'm in Tucson right now. It's November, and I am actually in what I'm going to dub the art corridor here at Mineral City. And this was the first mural that went up 2 years ago. That was done by Alexis Moore. And then last year, you may remember seeing this mural done by Aaron Delventhal. Fantastic piece. And now we've got a big blank space here, but our buddy Graham Sutton is preparing this for the next artist who is coming in next month, right?
Yes, Rebecca Johnson's going to be here starting on the 9th. If you want to, of December, if you want to stop in, cheer her on. She's going to be in here. She's going to be painting an amazing picture. I've seen some previews of it. She's been kind of coy with it, but man, this is going to be amazing to come see this. She's got a week, so stop in, say hi, bring her a coffee. She's going to be working all the time.
And it's going to be fantastic. Rebecca Johnson, we've seen some of her stuff at the Munich show this past October. She will also have some artwork featured on the 2024 Mineral City Show Guide.
Yes,
So
and
we're really looking forward to this.
And inside the building, she's made arrangements with a couple dealers to have some limited edition prints and some of her retro merchandise. So, man, support Rebecca. She's doing me a solid one by taking time out of her busy schedule to come paint a mural at Mineral City. And we'll see all of you guys in 67 days.
Woo, countdown, countdown. Well, Graham, I want to really thank you on behalf of the entire mineral community for consistently recognizing and supporting mineral artists and allowing them to use your wall here.
Yep, and those of you that are watching, PM me, text me, contact somebody, see who gets to be for next year's wall. We got to start early, man. These things just don't happen in a week. So get a hold of me, let me know.
There you go. So get in touch with the man and come down, cheer Rebecca on if you happen to be around in the area early December. Otherwise, come by and take a look at her work during the Tucson show, the 2024 Tucson show.
Starting on the 26th, man. It's coming up fast.
67 days, guys.
67 days.
All right. Mahalo.